देखो इस क्वेश्चन को किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है ये हम इस लेक्चर में देखेंगे. सो हियर given value is a square plus b square plus c square equals to 30 and second a plus b plus c is equals to 10. इस given data का use करके we have to solve this question. Here direct formula for this square is a plus b plus c bracket square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ac. But if term, and if you don't know the formula direct, then you can write here a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, because we know that if we are multiply this same bracket, then we get bracket square, means same term I have written twice product form. Now one by one multiply this term, and we know how to multiply bracket term. So multiplication of bracket we solve. Here first term is a multiplied to the bracket, means first term into bracket, then second term into this bracket, and third term into bracket. In this way we can multiply the bracket. So here a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a c. Now here multiply this a to the bracket, then we get a square plus ab plus ac. Now similarly for multiply this b to the bracket, then we get b a b square b into b square plus bc plus here c into a c into b, then last is c into c is c square. And from this term take square term one side and remaining term in after that you write remaining terms. So here if we write first square term, then here a square b square c square, these are a square plus b square plus c square. And remaining term, if you observe that here ab and this term is ab, because in real number system ab is nothing but ba. The product of ab is equals to product of ba. So here second term and this fourth term is equal, just you can add these two terms, we get twice ab. Now similar way here ac, third term is ac, and here this term is ca. Again ac equals to ca, so here it is twice ac plus next remaining term is here bc and cb. Again bc equals to cb, so here twice of bc. Now here twice term, and here a square b square c square, here square term. But we know the value of a square b square c square, because in the question already given value is a value of this square addition is 30. Now second a plus b plus c is also given, that is 10. So in the left hand side we have taken a plus b plus c, which is nothing but 10. So here bracket square, so we can write left hand side is 10 square, and here 10 square is equals to, in the right hand side put the value of square term, that is a square, addition of this square term is 30 plus remaining term is 2 times, all these 3 terms contain 2, so you can take 2 common, remaining is ab plus ac plus bc. And actually this value we have to find out in this question, because in the question here we have to find the value of this term. So now it's just a calculation. Square of 10 is 100, so you can write here 100, and here 30 plus 2 a b ac plus bc. Now take this 30 to the left hand side, then this 30 is positive. If we are shift it right left hand side, then it become minus 30. So 100 minus 30 is equals to 2 times remaining term is ab ac plus bc. Here take the subtraction. 100 minus 30 is 70 is equals to 2 times AB plus AC plus BC. Now we want value of this bracket term. So here we have to divide this term by 2. If we divided this term by 2, then this 2 will be cancelled and we get direct this answer. So we divide by 2 both hand side, then we get AB plus AC plus BC is equals to 70 by 2, because we are dividing by 2, so here we in left hand side it is 70 by 2 and here 2 get cancelled, so remaining is this one. So the answer of our question is 70 by 2. You can again simplify this. 70 by 2 is nothing but 35. So the answer is 35. This is the answer of our question. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.